Hello, this is Chemistry Central Science, and we are in Chapter 2. Chapter 2 is on atoms, molecules, and ions, and we're on the end of the chapter questions. Question number 23. How many protons, neutrons, and electrons are in the following atoms? So let's start with argon-40. So when you say argon-40, anything in the upper right corner is the mass number. And the mass number is going to be equal to, so the mass number is equal to the protons plus the neutrons. The atomic number, which is normally in the lower left, okay, the atomic number is equal to just the number of protons. So in this case, argon, I could go over to argon and see that it is atomic number 18. So this argon-40 is argon-1840. It's the same. It's just it's a shorthand way of writing it. Argon is 18. That's the protons. The mass numbers is 18 plus additional neutrons to give you 40. So if you wanted to find the number of neutrons, you would simply subtract the atomic number, which is 18, from the mass number, in this case 40. So the other thing to remember is that the protons and electrons are opposite in charge, but they're in a neutral atom, there's the same number. They cancel each other out. So in the case of argon, which is 18 protons, argon also has 18 electrons. Okay, if it's in a neutral atom, which an argon is neutral, it would have the same number of electrons as it has protons. All right, so when you want a proton number, you're looking for atomic number. When you want electron number, you're also looking for atomic number. And when you want neutron number, you take the mass, which is the number in the upper left, subtract the protons. And that's how you do it. So let's do these. Okay. So the first one is argon-40. 40 is protons plus neutrons. This is argon, which is 18, so I'm going to take 40 minus 18, and I'll say, okay, A is protons is going to be 18. Neutrons is going to be 40 minus 18, which is 22, and electrons is the same as protons, 18. Okay, B, zinc 65. Well, zinc is number 30, okay? So this is going to be protons, 30, neutrons, 65 minus 30, okay? So we have 35, and electrons is the same as protons, 30. C, gallium 70, okay? So gallium here is 31. So protons would be 31, neutrons is 70 minus 31, which is 39, and electrons is the same as protons, 31. D is bromine 80, okay? Well, bromine is 35, so protons would be 35, neutrons is 80 minus 35, 45. Electrons is the same as protons, 35. E is tungsten 184. Okay, tungsten is 74. So I take 184 minus 74, and I get neutrons 110. Electrons is 74, same as protons. Last one, americium 243. Okay, where's americium? Okay, what is that, 95? I think it's 95. So protons, 95. Neutrons, 243 minus 95, 148. Electrons, the same, 95. Hope that helps.